You know how the story goes? If it looks like a duck, walks like a duck, and talks like a duck, then it's a duck? Well, there's always an exception to the rule, isn't there? Let me introduce you to the Armenian cucumber. Now, while this definitely looks like a cucumber, I mean, look at it, seeds and all, looks just like a cucumber. It smells like a cucumber. You could try it. Seriously, trust me when I say it. It smells like a cucumber, and it tastes like one. It most certainly is not. Now, biologically, this is actually a melon, but it is eaten as a cucumber. So it's grown to be used as a cucumber. If you leave it on the plant longer, it will grow bigger. It'll look more like a melon. It'll still be cylindrical, but it'll be much bigger. But most people who use it as a cucumber. And let me show you the plant. Now the leaves certainly look like melon leaves. This is one of the leaves, and this here. It grows as a vining plant. I have it trellised up this with a string, so a string trellis. So it does look more like a melon plant, but then the fruit grows. I cut this in half just to show you what it looks like on the inside. But it looks more like a cucumber. And I'll show you the seeds I planted. They are these right here. And it says Armenian yard-long cucumber. You can see how this looks almost like it has stripes, light colored stripes on it. The fruit I got does not look like this. This is from M.I. Gardner. So I don't know if it's just the coloration on this, but I actually got seeds from Baker Creek, and it actually looks more like this. This is it's actually written there. You can see it's a melon. It's the Metki dark green serpent melon. It looks almost identical to this one here. So I think they're just the same plants with different names. But let me take you over to cucumber so you can compare the leaves. This here is a cucumber leaf, and that's a cucumber. Doesn't look too different, except for the ridging maybe, but doesn't look very different. And this here is a melon leaf. So this is the Kajari melon, which looks a lot like this leaf here, which is the Armenian yard-long cucumber. So sometimes if it looks like a cucumber, smells like a cucumber, tastes like a cucumber, it just might be a melon. Thank you for joining me in the garden today. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you're growing cucumbers or melons, let me know about them, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, garden friend.